You guys, I'm gonna show you how to make the easiest DIY rental friendly brick wall ever. I got some cabinet liner. Alright, so I knew that I wanted white brick, so I started by painting my cabinet liner this gray color, and I did that for as many sheets as I thought would fill the wall. The first thing I did was just cut them into different sizes, and then the next thing I did was just to glue some of the smaller pieces to make larger ones, and then after that I just trimmed the edges to make sure they were rectangular or square. So this is me mixing different colors with white to get different shades for the colors of the brick. And the one step that I didn't show here was me turning the sponges into stamps, which all I did was glue an old paintbrush onto the back to make the bricks. The project, the sponges were starting to get worn out, so you see me painting it in with a paintbrush, which I thought added another cool effect. But if you don't want to do this, you could just get new sponges and just start over again. Now, I'm almost tempted to say that this was the easiest part of the whole project, but in all honesty, the whole project was pretty easy. But all I did right here was use thumbtacks to stick the vinyl to the wall. You can use thumbtacks, command strips, anything, but I just used thumbtacks, and my girl's right here helping me to pin it up. Do you see this? Do you see this? Alright, so here's the final wall. The whole brick is... Come on, clear up, camera! Clear up! Okay, the whole brick is laid finally. Alright, right? So here's how I went in with my last final details, adding in ivy and some few other flowers. I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you hit that button. Also hit that subscribe button. Now I'll continue to bring you guys videos for home DIY, including DIY. Thanks for watching.